What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be filming a Cruella look based off the new movie that just recently came out this past year. I already have all my face foundation on. I got my foundation, my concealer, my eye primers, and of course I prime my face before even adding all the other makeup. But I have all that ready to go. All I have to do is do eyes, contour, lips, and brows, and I'm pretty much done. And then of course dress up and add the wig, which I'm really excited about. Also, this is the first Halloween video that I am filming for this year. I'm not sure if it's gonna be the first one I'll be posting, but I don't know which order I'm going. But I'm pretty nervous and excited, and I haven't filmed makeup tutorials in a while, so I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll probably put up some pictures of Cruella here that I found on the internet, and I really like her makeup. It's pretty similar to like the makeup that I kind of do already. So first we're going to be diving into the KVD Beauty Shade and Light Eyeshadow Cotton Smoke. They don't make this one. This is like a really old product, but you can find a really similar palette with like whites, gray, and black. It's pretty much what I'm using for this palette. A lot of eyeshadow palettes have these three basic colors. So first I'm going to be diving into the white shade and pretty much applying it all over the eye just to create a base. Okay, so next we're diving into the gray shadow of the palette, and I'm applying it kind of like along the inner crease of my eye. Okay, so next I'm testing some more white on top of the eyeshadow. I just did to blend that a little bit more. Also just to brighten that area as well, because I'll probably be doing some more of that later. Okay, so next I'm going to get started on the inner shadow up here on the nose bridge. I'm going to be starting off with gray and kind of just blending it downwards from like my eyebrow to my nose bridge. And it's kind of like almost like a slim triangular shape down the nose. Okay, so next I'm applying the black shadow onto my eyelid. I'm trying to blend it down or apply it down pretty close to my lash line and then blend it upwards. Don't want to blend out too much because her eyeshadow isn't blended up that much. Okay, so next I'm applying some white into the negative space right here on my eyelid, just to brighten it up some more. Okay, so next I'm darkening the nose bridge shadow using some black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it kind of like along the edge and blend it out just a tiny bit. Okay, so for underneath the eyes, I'm gonna use whatever pigment that is left on this brush and just blend it downwards. Probably towards like the center of the eye right here. After I'm done blending, I'll get like a thinner brush and then like line along the lash line with black. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Out Powder in the shade Granite. And I'm going to try to follow her brow shape as much as possible. I'll be using this little tiny small angled brush. It's the number 15 brush from Anastasia. Okay, so off camera I had applied some foundation on my lips just to make them smaller so I can underline them. But first I'll be doing some contour, and I'll be using the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette. And I'll be diving into the cool shades of the palette and trying to shape my face like hers. I'm probably going to also contour like my cheeks a little bit because her cheeks are kind of rounded. I like to have like some shadow underneath them when she smiles. So I'm going to add a little bit of that. And trying to contour my face as best as hers. And I'm also probably going to contour my nose as well to make it look more like hers too. Okay, so next is the lips, and I'm going to be applying the KBD Beauty Santa Sangre lipstick onto my lips, but I'm going to be drawing on just like hers. Her lips are very thin, they're drawn on very thin, and also like the corners up here, they're very like sharp and angular, and like also like the cupid's bow right here, it's like a triangle. So I'm going to try to recreate that. Probably put a little picture right here. I'm going to try my best to keep it as thin and triangular as possible. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lashes in style Domina onto my eyes. I'll be doing that off camera, of course. Okay, next I'll be adding her little beauty mark with some black eyeliner. I'm just gonna add it over my natural beauty mark. Okay, so next I'm gonna change into my outfit and put the little wig on, and I'll be back to you guys. Alrighty, so here is the finished look. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I really like it. This was the first video that I filmed of my Halloween series I post every single year. I like to do a bunch of like different like characters and looks for Halloween. Some things are just like random ones I just create by myself, or some things a lot of times I recreate like characters from like movies, mainly like horror movies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. And if you guys do follow along this tutorial, please tag me on my social medias. I'll have them linked down below in the description box. I would love to see you guys' beautiful faces and to see how y'all's look turned out after following my makeup tutorial. And let me know down below in the comments what you guys are going to be for Halloween, because I don't know what I'm going to be for Halloween. I can be like a million different things. I'm thinking just dressing up every day. Like, screw it. I'm just going to dress up every single day of the month. I don't care what anyone says or thinks. But I'll definitely be doing another Cruella look, so be on the lookout for that one. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. I now have an affiliate link with Good Molecules. If you guys click on the link down below, I'll make a little bit of commission from that. It's not a discount code, but it'll help me out. It's a skincare brand that I've been using. They send me skincare every once in a while, usually when they release like new releases, but I really like their stuff, and their stuff is really affordable as well, so you guys need to check them out. I also have a Depop shop, which is linked down below in the description box, and I have a bunch of like stuff in my closet on sale, so you guys should totally go check that out. I have a bunch of cool pieces in there. Some stuff that I'm like, I don't really want to let go, but I haven't worn in like literally years, so you guys should check it out. before I change my mind. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys have a safe and wonderful spooky day. Bye guys!